Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a 5-star resort. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, resort location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the Muslim ambience, open for and variety options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Room category 11. Room category 12. Next, we talk about the amenities of this resort. So you can see on the screen, 12 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this resort. Location of the resort is first class and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this resort is 2 p.m. Check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and premium policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem when booking a room in this resort, then as well as by the link, they will help you booking or check description below. If you have already checked out from this resort, please share your experience in the comment box.